Hey everyone, it's Kayla with the Celebration Company, and I've got something fun for you today. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to check me out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for a lot of other fun ideas just like this one. All right, to make our little strawberry stand, we are going to use a 4x4 wooden canvas. And I'm using this little cutout that is from our June subscription. So be sure to sign up for the subscription so you can get this adorable set of designs. So we're going to be using this one, and I'm just cutting out and removing it from the background. It says strawberry patch on it. And then we're going to paint the background of the canvas a green. But I decided I wanted to kind of try to put this whole thing together to make sure that green is the color that I wanted to do. So I'm taking some popsicle sticks. I'm using the tongue depressor size popsicle sticks for the uprights. And then I'm also going to cut out this word strawberry from this sign that's also a part of the June subscription and use it for the top of the stand. So I'm just cutting it out with my paper cutter, and I also had to use a ruler and a knife to get the rest of it cut off. And I'm going to put that onto a jumbo popsicle stick that I got from Walmart. This popsicle stick is about 10 inches long, and it's about a little over an inch wide. And then also in the same group of things, I have a little 50-cent round sticker that I cut out as well. We're going to use that too. After I decided which all pieces I wanted to do, and I decided that I wanted to paint the background green, I went ahead and mixed up a green. I didn't have the right color green, so I just mixed some blues and some yellows to create a green that matched the font color of the strawberry patch. And then I just paint all of my pieces with this green. So I did the 4x4 canvas and all 3 popsicle sticks. Now I'm just going to Mod Podge all the pieces on. So I'm just using a foam pouncer to get all of the Mod Podge on, and we'll just put that on the canvas. And then I'm also going to put some on the popsicle stick to put our little strawberry sign on. And then I'm just using scissors to remove the excess popsicle stick. Glue your tongue depressor size popsicle sticks on the back of your canvas, and then we'll glue our sign onto the top. And there's your adorable little stand. You can embellish this however you want to. I decided to take a wood slice. I think it came from the Dollar Tree, and I just glued my little 50-cent sign onto that little wood slice to give it some strength and some stability. And and then I had a cute little button that was a little pie, and I thought it looked really great sitting on top of the stand. So I just took that and glued it on. But you can do so many different things. You can put like a little basket with strawberries in it, or a little mini pot and put some flowers on it. Lots of different things. You could grab some little small strawberries and fill it up with some small strawberries. But this is how I decided to leave it, with just the pie on the top. And then I just took a Jenga block and put it on the back to add a little bit of extra stability. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.